Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Looking for a no-fuss dessert? That's impressive. You have to give Eton Mess a try. Fresh whipped cream, plum juicy cherries, and crispy pieces of meringue. For the best taste, I love using vanilla paste. 1 tablespoon. This sounds like a lot, but it's not as intense as vanilla extract. For the slurry, mix 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of water. You can use fresh or frozen pitted cherries. For convenience, I use frozen. We need 500 grams or 1.1 pounds. Place in a saucepan with 1/3 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. Cook over medium heat for 6 to 8 minutes. Stir occasionally so it doesn't catch at the bottom. The cherries should soften and the liquid will reduce. As you can see, the cherries have softened and the colors are much deeper. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Pour in the slurry mix. This will thicken the compote. Adjust the thickness to your liking. I want mine saucier, so I'm adding a few tablespoons of water at a time. It will continue to thicken over the heat. This is exactly how I want it. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to balance the sweetness and the vanilla paste. Cook for another minute or so, or until the sauce thickens nicely. And it's all done. Onto the whipped cream. We need 1½ cups of thickened or heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of icing or powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whip until fluffy. You can whip the cream to your liking. I like mine medium to firm peaks. I've got here store-bought meringue. We need about 70 grams. I'm using a rolling pin to crush into small pieces. This has to be my favorite part. It's so satisfying. Now it's time to layer everything together in a glass. This is going to get messy, but I'll try my best. I like to start with the cherry compote, then the whipped cream, followed by the meringue. Repeat the layers in the same order until you top the glass. Starting to look pretty good. I'm going to finish with some fresh cherries and mint leaves. Cherry Compote, Eton Mess, so easy and delicious. Perfect for Valentine's Day or Christmas. Thanks for watching. Get the recipe at my blog. Like and subscribe for more content.